just want to start using the Paramount Plus, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can download and install Paramount Plus app on your phone. So if you want to do that, first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Store, then tap on the search icon, then use the search tab at the top, then type in Paramount. Okay, and this is it up here, Paramount Plus. Tap on it. Okay, then you tap on the app button. This is it, app up here. Tap on it, then tap on get. So once tap on get, if required, your face ID, your touch ID, or your password, input it, then continue with the process. Then it should take some few seconds or minutes for the app to be downloaded to your phone and installed. Once the app has been successfully installed on your phone, then you can now tap on open. Then from there you can start using the app, and that's how to download and install Paramount Plus app on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.